includes a gun-themed game controller, 2 modes in one. This is the OnePlus S6 Ultra 16-1T gaming phone, a true Ace awakening. This phone actually has the AC logo welded to the back cover, and even includes a gun-themed game controller, 2 modes in one. This is the OnePlus S6 Ultra 16-1T gaming phone, a true Ace awakening. 128 port, 1 nanometer. Wow, look at this big logo, ACE. And here's a raised OnePlus logo. So this time, the main color scheme of the Ace awakening is black plus purple. This one is the main color scheme. Ace awakening, have you awakened yet? I have to say, this is the most perfect black and white combination I've ever seen. The back cover is ordinary AG frosted black glass. The key point is that it is light etched into the phone. The 3 letters AC use 3D stereoscopic objective technology. This is the light path you can touch. Under the light, the flowing light logo of AC is very cool, very high-end and restrained. Large rounded corners, metal frame with metal cube-shaped notch. Do you like the appearance of this gaming phone? We are very familiar with the screen. It is still a 1.5K plus 165 Hz Oriental screen, the same as the Turo 6. There is no Indonesian special display. Everything else is basically the same. It has 3840 Hz ultra-high frequency dimming. It also boasts excellent TD Rhineland eye protection 400 certification, an ultrasonic processor, Dimensity 9500, and the newly upgraded ColorOS 16.1. For gaming, the S6 Ultra is still top-notch. First, let's talk about the highly praised Windrush gaming kernel from previous S6 series models. This time, it uses a new chip with underlying optimizations, such as supporting 165 Hz for PUBG Mobile. The S6 Ultra can also transform this gaming phone into a handheld mode. Let's take a look at the OnePlus Gunner gamepad. It uses a USB-C port for direct connection and plug-and-play functionality. The front of the gamepad has no control buttons or joysticks to better match the native control logic of mobile games, resulting in a good feel. The back also features an ergonomic curved grip with a classic 4-piece layout, 1 shoulder button on the top and back, and supports mapping. It can also connect to a OnePlus magnetic cooling fan to improve gaming performance, which is very appealing. Take PUBG Mobile for example, using the gamepad to fire. The tactile feedback when opening the camera is much more realistic than rubbing the screen with your hand, and the reduced obstruction from your fingers also significantly increases your win rate. Charging speed has been improved from 100W on the S5 Ultra to 120W, and the battery has reached 8,600 mAh, charging to 53% in just 10 minutes. The imaging is consistent with the S5 Ultra, featuring a 50MP main camera and a 1MP ultra-wide-angle lens. In summary, the OnePlus A46 Ultra is positioned as a gaming version of the OnePlus 115, serving as a mobile gaming console, a top-tier all-around flagship, and a gaming phone with no weakness.